Good morning, friend. Welcome on Knowledge Need channel. First of all, friends, subscribe my channel. Here we will discuss the next topic of reproduction in organism is the reproduction. Reproduction consists of re plus production. Re means again, production means new one. Means reproduction is a biological process in which an organism give rise to young ones of its own kind. That process are known as the reproduction. Next one is the what is the types of reproduction and what is the importance of reproduction. How the reproductions play a very important role in evolution. Types of reproductions. Generally, two types of reproductions are present in an organism. First one is the asexual reproduction, second one is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means A means without. Sexual means union of two gametes. Without union of two gametes, when a new organism are produced, that's are known as asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction during which two types of gamete united with each other, resulting a formation of a zygote, and that zygote are developed into an embryo. Ultimately, that embryo gives rise an organisms. That's are known as the sexual reproduction. In this way, that the reproduction and the types of reproductions are defined here. First, the main purpose. What is the purpose of reproduction? What is the main purpose of reproduction? The main purpose of reproduction is continue and preserve the species. And number second one is pass species genetic identity, and number third one is the keep the evolutionary chain going. इस तरीके से आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि रिप्रोडक्शन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि न्यू वंस जो होते हैं, नए ऑर्गेनिज्म की उत्पत्ति होती है, यानी फॉर्मेशंस होते हैं. रिप्रोडक्शन दो प्रकार के होते हैं, पहला एसेक्सुअल, दूसरा सेक्सुअल. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में गैमीट्स का यूनियन नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब विदाउट यूनियन ऑफ गैमीट्स जो होते हैं, जब ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन होता है उसको एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं. इसके कई टाइप्स आपको पढ़ने को मिलेंगे, जैसा कि आगे डिस्क्राइब किया जाएगा, जैसे स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, फ्रेगमेंटेशन, फिशन. ठीक है फ्रेंड. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शंस जो होते हैं उसमें दो तरह के गैमेट्स होते हैं, मेल और फीमेल गैमेट दोनों के यूनियन से जाइगोट बनता है. वो जाइगोट एम्ब्रियो में डेवलप करता है, और एम्ब्रियो जो होता है अल्टीमेटली एक नए ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन करता है. और रिप्रोडक्शन का मेन पर्पज़ ये होता है कि अपने स्पीसीज़ को कंटिन्यू करना और प्रिजर्व करना. नंबर दूसरा पॉइंट होता है, पर्पज़ होता है उसका कि स्पीसीज़ की जेनेटिक आइडेंटिटी को बनाए रखना. और तीसरा पॉइंट पर्पज़ ये होता है कि इवोल्यूशनरी चेन जा रहे होते हैं, वन बाय वन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा रहे होते हैं, उस चेन को बनाए रखना ही रिप्रोडक्शन का मेन पर्पज़ होता है. हियर वी विल डिस्क्राइब द टाइप्स ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का डिफिनीशन आपको पता चल ही गया. टाइप्स ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन consist of, number first one is the fission, number second one is the budding, number third one is the fragmentation, number fourth one is the regeneration, and number fifth one is the spore formation. Now we will describe here. Number first one is the fission. Fission is a type of asexual reproduction. Fission may be defined as reproduction by splitting of the nucleus and cytoplasm into equal parts, that are known as the fission. Here the number types of fission are present in an organism. Different organisms divided by different way, so that types of fission are: number first one is the binary fission, number second multiple fission, number third plasmotomy. Now the binary fission are again divided into four types. Number first one is the simple or irregular binary fission, number second one is the longitudinal binary fission, number third one is the transverse binary fission, and number fourth one is the oblique binary fission. Now here we will describe the binary fission. Binary fission may be defined as the splitting of parent body into two daughter cells of approximately the same size is called binary fission. On the basis of plane of division, binary fission is of the following types. Number first one is the simple binary fission. Simple binary fission, in a simple binary fission, the splitting of parent body into two daughter cell during division of any plane. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अमीबा, जैसा कि आप फिगर में देख रहे हैं कि ये अमीबा सेल है. अमीबा सेल्स का जो होता है किसी भी प्लेन से, यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि कुछ यूँ जो रहा इरेगुलर मैनर में कहीं से कट ऑफ हो जा रहा है, तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है, साइटोप्लाज्म और सेल्स के न्यूक्लियस जो होते हैं वो इलांगेट होते हैं और दो भागों में इक्वली डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. तो ऐसे डिवीज़न को सिंपल बाइनरी फिशन कहा जाता है. नंबर सेकेंड वन इज बाइनरी फिशंस, टाइप्स ऑफ बाइनरी फिशन इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल बाइनरी फिशन. इन लॉन्गिट्यूडनल बाइनरी फिशन the splitting of parent body into two daughter cells during division of plane passing along the longitudinal axis of the organism. For example is Euglena. See in this figure, this is the Euglena parental body. Longitudinal, this is the longitudinal axis, and now that they are longitudinally divides into equal halves, resulting of formation of two equal daughter cells. This is the longitudinal binary fission. Why it is called longitudinal binary fission? Because the division of plane is longitudinal axis of the organism. Now the third types of binary fission is transverse binary fission. Such type of binary fission is present in a paramecium. The splitting of the parent body into two daughter cells during division of plane passing along the transverse axis of the organisms, that are known as the transverse binary fission. Here जो हो रहा है वहाँ पर एक्सिस कैसा है, ट्रांसवर्स है, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सिस के ट्रांसवर्सली डिवाइड हो रहा है, इसलिए इस बाइनरी फिशन को ट्रांसवर्स बाइनरी फिशन कहते हैं. एग्जांपल है पैरामीशियम्स और प्लानेरिया. एंड नंबर फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ बाइनरी फिशन इज ऑब्लिक बाइनरी फिशन. द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ parent body into two daughter cells during division of plane passing obliquely along the axis of the organism. That type of oblique binary fission is present in Serratium. Now, the next type of fission is multiple fission. Multiple fission. What is multiple fission? The splitting of parent body into many daughter cells simultaneously is called multiple fission. Example of multiple fission is the amoeba. In case of amoeba, amoebic cells undergo the unfavorable conditions, form a cyst, and that cyst form a daughter nuclei. That daughter nuclei undergo several mitotic divisions, resulting a formation of number of pseudopodiospores by the multiple fissions. That process are known as the, in case of amoeba, that's are known as the sporulation. In case of RBC, the single cell RBC, that RBC divide by fission into a number of cells, that are known as the zygogony. Zygogony. In case of oocyst, that process are known as the sporogony. In this way, the multiple fissions take place in case of amoeba, RBC, oocyst of malarial, into the stomach of mosquito, generally divided by a multiple fissions. And the next type of fission is plasmotomy. In plasmotomy, the multicellular protozoan cells cytoplasm divide into two or more masses, resulting a formation of a numbers of spores within their body. For examples, Opalina and Pleomyxa. Opalina and Pleomyxa is the example of plasmotomy. This is the type of fission: binary fission, multiple fission, and plasmotomy. Binary fission takes place by the simple longitudinal, transverse, and obliquely manner. Multiple fissions take place in a different cell by a different way. In RBC, zygogony; in amoeba, sporulations; and in oocysts, also the sporogony. In this way, the fissions topic is completed. Asexual reproduction. That fission topic includes in asexual reproduction. Now, the next types of asexual reproduction is budding. We will discuss in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.